Yes, in this lab, experiment number 8, so we are going to study about steady state AC circuits, that is series RC and RL circuits. Okay, the main purpose of this experiment 8 is draw the impedance and voltage diagram for RC and RL circuits, and also measure the phase angle between V0 and V in, means V output and V in series RC and RL circuits, to investigate the effect of frequency on the value of phase angle. So I will explain you what is that meaning of, right? So that means so if you consider here, this is the circuit diagram. I will explain you the circuit diagram. So before that, what I mean to say is whenever if you use an input signal, okay, any sine wave with some frequency, then if you check the output at the capacitor, okay, so we'll check the output at the capacitor. So when you check the capacitor, so you will get the same sine wave. When you give the input signal as a sine wave with some frequency, you will get the same signal sine wave with the same frequency almost you will get, but output voltage will be changed, and also there is an angle, phase angle between the input signal and the output signal. So what is meant by phase angle? That means exactly not in the phase. Okay, I will explain you what the phase angle clearly, but now I will show you with example, then you can understand easily. Okay, so before going to that, so I would like to explain you the circuit diagram connection. So simple, very simple connection, same RC circuit, experiment number 7. So okay, so here the thing is I need to take the input from the function generator. Okay, so input positive, input from the function generator, input positive is given to the resistor first end, okay, and negative is given to the ground. Okay, input positive is given to the resistor first end and negative to the ground, right? And now this time I am going to take 2 channels, means 2 outputs from the circuit. Okay, so one output is directly from the starting, okay, that means at the first end of the resistor. So this is given to the positive of the one channel, okay, and at the capacitor, this is given to the positive of the other channel. That means for channel 1, positive red wire is given to the resistor, and channel 2 positive is given to the capacitor. Okay, now as you know that resistor and capacitor are in series in the same line, that means same line. In the same line, from the same line I am taking another output. So this output, what is the output I am taking from the capacitor? This is V0, output signal, general output signal. So this one, first one, where I am taking from the resistor input side, so this is taken as a input signal. That means whatever the input signal we are giving from the function generator, whatever the input signal we are giving from the function generator, the same signal I am sending to the oscilloscope. That means I am checking the same signal in the oscilloscope. Okay, along with that, okay, along with the input signal, I am also checking the output signal, that is across the capacitor. That means now I am applying 2, that means I am sending the 2 signals to the output, that is to the oscilloscope. One is the input signal, other one is the output signal. So I want to see both signals at a time. Then I can understand what is the phase difference between the signal 1 and signal 2. Okay, so for that one I would like to show you the output for the particular one. Okay, so as per the procedure, so I would like to apply the voltage. Come for the first function generator, as you know that. So I am taking input as a sine wave. Okay, right, frequency is 1 kilohertz. Okay, amplitude I am taking as a 5 volts peak to peak. Okay, VDC I took as a 2.5 volts, and I just press the output from here. So then that will be given to the circuit, and from there I got the output like this. Okay, now if you see the channel 1, that means channel 1 is the yellow color is the channel 1, and pink is the channel 2. That means channel 1 is the input, that means whatever the yellow curve you're showing here, that is taken as the input signal. Okay, and channel 2, the pink color one, so whatever you are showing here, That's actually here it's shown like maroon color. So the maroon color one, which is showing the wave, that is the output signal. Okay, so usually if there is no capacitor, or inductor, only if you take the resistors, both will be in the same phase. That means same, exactly in the same line they will come. But if you see here, so the phase difference from here to here. So the negative, that means the negative of first wave is here, input wave is here, but whereas the negative of this one is here. Same way if you take the positive, if you go close, so positive is here, and the positive of the input is here, and the positive of the output is here. That means positive